Hi everyone, it is me Ben here at Neha Wireless, going live for just a quick second, just to say hello, happy Monday. I hope everyone is having a great day. It is a little bit chilly out there. We are being productive, rearranging, cleaning, all that fun stuff. And guys, as you can see, we have a little bit of everything here for you. We have all the electric rides for the kids. We have karaoke speakers. We also have TVs. Not to mention those little dirt bikes, and guys, the electric scooter, which I love the electric scooter. I am looking into possibly getting myself one here pretty soon. Guys, let us not forget though that we also sell tons of other things just besides this. We have Apple Watches, tons of phones, you name it, we pretty much have it. We offer phone plans, phone repair, game console repair, laptop screen repair, iPad and tablet repair. So guys, make sure that you come and check us out here at Neha Wireless, where we can do just about anything that you need us to do. Repair just about anything you need us to do. If you need to make payments on something and your credit's not the best, don't worry. Come here and we'll help you get a phone today. Hope you guys have a great day.